At number 1, we have the HUPAR Laser Level. It's a versatile tool perfect for construction, home improvement, remodeling, and any DIY project requiring precise alignment. It offers 360-degree coverage with 1 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, ideal for leveling, squaring, and positioning objects across an entire room. It automatically self-levels, but can also be locked into a fixed position for angled installations like stair handrails or sloped structures. A handy L-shaped magnetic bracket allows for easy mounting on metal surfaces, and built-in threads work with tripods or poles. Powered by a large 6600 mAh rechargeable battery, it delivers extended working time for those long projects. The main downside: it's relatively bulky compared to more compact models. However, the included foam-lined storage case keeps everything protected and organized. Overall, it's a strong, feature-packed option for users who want 360-degree coverage and flexible positioning without the professional-grade price tag.
At number 2, we have the SKIL Laser Level. It's the perfect tool for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want 360-degree coverage without the premium price. Forget disposable batteries. It has a convenient, built-in rechargeable lithium battery with a micro USB port. It automatically self-levels for ultimate accuracy with a red beam visible up to 65 feet. The 360-degree design saves you time, and you can project lines at any angle for tasks like taping. Plus, SKIL adds value by including an adjustable tripod, making setup a breeze. Overall, the SKIL Laser Level is a practical, budget-friendly choice for all your home projects.
At number 3, we have the Bosch Laser Level. It's an excellent, all-around option for users who prioritize simplicity, reliability, and accurate alignment without breaking the bank. One of the most appealing features is the extremely straightforward control system. Just slide the switch to ON and the laser crosshairs appear. It's that simple. The self-leveling mechanism helps keep the laser lines accurately positioned, reducing the amount of manual adjustment required for your projects. The tool features a magnetic mount for secure attachment to metal surfaces, and also includes tripod mounting threads for even more positioning flexibility. This flexibility is perfect for installing cabinets, hanging frames, aligning shelves, positioning tile, and completing other construction or renovation tasks. Portability is another advantage. The included storage pouch attaches to a tool belt, keeping the laser accessible while you move around. Overall, the Bosch Laser Level is a top choice for a dependable and easy-to-use tool for everyday construction, home improvement, and DIY applications.
At number 4, we have the Motovera Self-Leveling Laser Level 100FT. This best-selling green cross-line laser level is an affordable, versatile option for DIY and light construction. It projects bright green lines with a working range up to 100 feet indoors. It features both self-leveling mode and manual lock mode for angled work, with 4 brightness settings to conserve battery or boost visibility. The IP44 rating provides dust and water resistance. The kit includes an adjustable tripod, magnetic bracket, AA batteries, and a carry bag, perfect for picture hanging, tiling, shelving, and home renovations. Overall, it ranks among Amazon's top laser level sellers for its balance of performance, features, and price under $50.
At number 5, we have the Fantic D2 Pocket Green Laser Level, a compact, highly portable pocket-sized self-leveling green cross-line laser level, ideal for quick indoor tasks like picture hanging, shelf installation, and home DIY. It delivers a bright green beam, roughly 4 times more visible than red lasers, with accuracy of about plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet and a range up to 100 feet indoors. Keys extendable outdoors and pulse mode with a compatible receiver. The built-in 2200 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery provides up to 10 hours of continuous use and supports hundreds of charge cycles. It offers self-leveling within plus or minus 4 degrees, flashing if tilted beyond that, plus manual mode for custom angles, along with 360-degree rotation via the included magnetic bracket that attaches easily to metal surfaces. The lightweight design, around 0.56 pounds, features durable TPE rubber protection for drop resistance, making it easy to carry in a pocket or tool bag. Package includes the laser magnetic bracket, USB-C cable, user manual, and drawstring pouch. Reviewers highlight its convenience, brightness, long battery life, and simplicity for everyday leveling, ideal for homeowners seeking a no-fuss accurate tool.